guys, my name is Chikala and I'm here with a tutorial on how to host your website free using Firebase. So guys, first of all guys, I just want to thank you for visiting this site. And secondly, I want you guys to help me grow my channel by subscribing to my channel. So what we are going to do today, we are going to host a website using Firebase for free. So first of all, what we need to go do is to go to our Chrome or Firefox. Then we log in into our Gmail account. Then after we log into our Google account, then we are going to search for Firebase. After you search for Firebase, you have an interface like this, or you need to sign up. Then your account will be ready. After your account will be ready, then we need to add a project, create a new project so that we can start hosting. So click on add a project, then we'll give our project a name. Let's say subscribe. So after this, it will give you the continue button. If you want to enable Google Analytics, you can enable or disable them, but I'm going to enable them. Then I click on continue. Then I'll select an account, default account for Firebase. Then I'll create the project. Now the Firebase is now creating a project for us so that we can start hosting. So after this, guys, we are going to move on to CMD, which is the command line. Then after we've got the command line, we're going to do the rest of the part there. After this, just finished this, we need to install Node.js, which will allow us to install all the Firebase tools. So you select your your type of machine you have in the operating system you have. Then after I've selected mine, I'm using Windows. Then I'll click on Windows. Then I'll click on 64-bit. Once I've clicked 64-bit, it's still downloading. You may have already downloaded this, so we install it. Next, then we follow the steps. I've already installed, just overwriting everything that I have just installed. After this, it will give you a to give you a pop-up statement. So we go here, come here to command prompt, then we open command prompt. So what we need to do now, we need to check if we need to check to see if Node.js is installed correctly. So we type this command node dash version. This command will display the version. As you can see, we have the version v21.0. This means we are running version 21.0.0 node in our system PC. What we need to do next is we are going to use this command, which is npm install -g firebase tools. It will install all the requirements, all the required tools in our PC, in our computer, so that we will be able to use Firebase in this command line. So guys, it is finished. So what we need to do now is we need to host our website. So we now need to log in into our Firebase account since we have installed all the required Firebase tools. So type Firebase, log in. It will redirect us, type here Y for yes. It will redirect us to a page where we are going to enter our credentials. So here I've already logged in, so I'm just confirming my account. Click on the account which you have created your project in the Firebase. So I'm going to create left Then I'm going to allow. Right, I've successfully logged in into my account. So now what I need to do now is to move to the directory where I want to host my my website. So in this case, I'm going to host my my website from this folder. This is where I'm going to put my files. So I'll change directory to that. So cd this space, then I'll specify the path, which is this one. I've just dragged the file. Then I'll enter. Then I'll enter this command firebase initialize hosting. I'll wait for it to initialize. Now it is initialized. Do you already to proceed? I'll just take Y for yes. Then I'll use an existing project to look for the projects that are already in. So I'll just move to subscribe project. Then I'll tap public for this one. Enter it. Do you want to configure? No, no. So it is initialized. So what I need to do now, I need to copy all my website files into this folder marked public so that I will start hosting. What I need to do now, I need to select all the files for my website, which are these, including the index HTML and the CSS files plus the image sources. So I'll go ahead and paste my files. I'll replace. Make sure your website saves and this index HTML, which is the first page that is going to be loaded for the website. After this, what I'm going to do now, I need to host the website using my PC so that I can test if everything is working. So what I'm going to do is Firebase, then save to test my website before deploying it here into the server. I'll wait it to generate the link for me so that I can go and check if everything is working perfectly. So I'll just copy this, then I'll paste it into my browser in a new tab, then I'll paste. Right, it's working perfectly. As you can see, this is my website. This is the website that I just designed. It's working perfectly. It's working. So what I need to do, I need to deploy this project so that it can be seen by everyone. So what I need to do is I'll need to return to this page, my command. Then I'll type Control C to cancel all the hosting activities. Then what I need to do is to enter this command to deploy the website. I'll type Firebase deploy. With this command, it's now deploying the website. As you can see, it's not deploying the website. So please guys, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for all new and latest updates. As you can see, the deploy is now complete. So what I need to say, I need to save this link, which is the link that is going to be used there by everyone else. So I'll open a new tab, or I'll just go into this new Ignito tab to test if it's working. Then I'll Control V. Then I'll enter the link. Then I'll enter the. As you can see, it's now loading, which means the deployment was successful. So guys, this is my channel. This is my project that I've just created. If you want it, I'm including the source file in the description. Please guys, comment, like and subscribe to my channel for all new and latest updates. Thank you.